This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the beak as you're crocheting the head of my free Amigurumi pattern, Peter the Penguin. The beak will be attached as you crochet round 39 of the head. To start the round, single crochet 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now with white yarn, we'll do another 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Align the beak on the right side of the work, and then as you crochet the next 6 stitches with single crochets, we'll also be attaching the beak. So insert your hook through the first slip stitch on the beak, then through the next stitch of the round, and single crochet. We'll do that all the way across. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll do 9 more single crochets with white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we'll finish out the round with 27 single crochets in black. $25, 26, and 27. At the end of the round, you should have 60 stitches. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!